Okay, this is max left pedal, okay.
Okay, now we've got a neutral. That's neutral at cruise.
Okay, that's neutral at cruise.
Now we give you a right pedal turn at a hover.
Yeah, that's right pedal turn at a hover.
That's full right pedal right there.
That's full right pedal. So yeah, it's replicating my Finistron fairly accurately. You know, like I say, actually I have more travel.
You have more travel.
Yeah, I can see that now. I was worried I was going to not have enough.
Let me go full left to full right for you.
Okay, thank you.
Going to full left pedal. Full left pedal. Now going to full right pedal.
Yeah, that's not much at all. At least visually.
But well, what's happening there is when you go to full right pedal, the torque of the main rotor system is just bringing the tail left. It's unloading the
yeah, just unloading the
unloading the anti-torque is what it's doing.
Cool, so that should help hopefully.
Yeah, you're gonna have all kinds of tail rotor power. That thing's gonna bite.
It's not protruding too far. I mean, because you look at this one, I mean, it does protrude, you know, so. And the scale to that one seems pretty spot on, actually.
Yeah, because looking at, and I think when I take photos of it with this wide angle lens, it warps the photo a little bit on the corners, you know, and that makes the nose look a little more elongated than it actually is compared to the real one.
Oh, you may be about 10 or 15 degrees off.
Trust me, if I can overanalyze something,
I'm kidding.
Yeah. Yeah, because like I said, I kept sanding down and down and down on the nose, and I was worried I was going to get the radar dome a little too short. But actually, I think it's going to.
Like I said, my opinion is, I think you have it. I think you have it right on.
Yeah.
I wouldn't bother. I wouldn't touch anything.
Exactly. 'Cause, yeah, I have the tendency to overdo things, and then I screw it up even more. Well, they do look good sitting next to each other.
Yeah.
Of course, it's going to look really good when they're painted the same.
I would say it'd be pretty impressive. It's impressive now.
Okay, I wanted to make a note. The upper wire stripe protection system or wire cutters looks even a little too large on the original set. It's actually, relatively speaking, pretty tiny compared to what some of the photos will show. And we got the bottom one here, which is obviously bigger. However, the top one is much smaller than initially thought. Stand back and get a shot of both of them. So anyway, I wanted to point that out. The upper wire stripe protection is actually relatively small. You can see the distance obviously between the rotor and the cutter. And then the bottom cutter still sits a fair amount off the ground. Then comparing the noses, I think they're pretty accurate. At least everybody here says they are.